Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nat here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the Windows Store error code 0x80073CF0 in Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type W is reset. You can show this icon, right click and select Run as Administrator. Very important, select this option, Run as Administrator. And wait a moment. And this process reset your store. Can be patient. This process will take some time. Don't close this window. And when the process is ending, you can show your Microsoft Store works properly, and this is all. Your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.